Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Sharita and the name of my channel is Unique by Sharita. So in today's video, I will be decorating my main living room, dining room, and entryway for fall. And I'll be using majority of the items you just saw on the table. And here is a quick look of the space. I still need to move a few items. Let's go ahead and get started with the decorating. I'm not going to do much talking, but I will leave links to anything I have in the description. I'll jump back in from time to time and just share a couple of pointers and information on specific things. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoy. I've already cleaned and vacuumed the space, but when you get to moving furniture pieces around as well as items, there comes some more dust. So I went ahead and spray wiped the table and vacuumed again. I don't know if you can see, but I did move my side table over to the far left corner where the 3 lamps are. And I decided to move it back where it was before. It just looked better where it was before. And of course, I have this beautiful vase from Home Goods. And this Louis Vuitton catwalk book, I purchased it to go in my master bedroom. But I felt it's the perfect look for fall, so I decided to go ahead and bring it out and put it on my living room cocktail table. Added this brown bird to the top of the coffee table book, but I changed it later on in the video because I felt like it was a little too dated. So I opted to go with just some white crystals, and here you see I'm just adding some beautiful pumpkins. I do have links to some that are similar. If you are interested, I'll leave that in the description. And this beautiful throw pillow, I got both of them from Home Goods last year. I do have 3, but we're going to use 2 because I wanted to use this beautiful velvet tiger pillow that I purchased from an Etsy shop last year. So we're just going to use it along with this beautiful whiskey colored throw blanket I got from Home Goods. I was going to call it rust, but I was watching Trevina's video and she called it whiskey. So I agree, it is a whiskey color. I'm just adding this gold leaf table to the console table. I felt like it was perfect for fall, and then I'll top it off with some beautiful pumpkins. I have some that are glammed and those 3 that say thankful, grateful, and blessed. All right, remember we are decorating for fall and we are over here in the dining area. And a lot of us have these decorative boxes that are finished in the gold leaf. And I'm just going to use them to store my silverware for the holidays. So I'll use them to put my silverware, and then I'll put a couple more items over here on this console table because I want to be able to have the capability to move those decorative pieces off of my dining table over on my console table. So that's what you see me doing, making sure that if I did do a floral or flower arrangement on my dining table, that I had the ability to quickly move the items off of the dining table over to the console table if we needed to.
Cross my heart, I never meant to hurt you, but now you're slipping through my fingers as the darkness in me lingers. Was praying for possibilities lately, got the
Just going to use my ginger jars and this beautiful vase as my centerpiece for my dining room table. I'll just add some florals to them. Now, if you like flower arrangements but you don't know how to make them, using floral stems along with tape is the easiest method. I'm just going to add some tape in a crossway pattern, and then I'll just use the 3 floral stems that I have, because you don't want them to sink down in the bottom of the ginger jar. So when you have a large opening like that and not a lot of florals or flowers, this is the easiest way to do it. Just put some tape on it.
done my part, no reason left to keep you. Let the thought of us wither. Nothing left but all our pictures. Was praying for possibilities lately, you got the best of me. Yeah. We're running out of space between good and bad. Running out of words to apologize. Nothing left to say between you and I. You and I. And I. You and I. Cross my heart, I never meant to hurt you, but now you're slipping through my fingers as the bad inside me lingers. Oh no, we're running out of space between good and bad. Running out of words to apologize. Nothing left to say between you and I. You and I. And I. You and I.
So over here on the entryway table, my whole goal was to just fill this entryway table up with a lot of candles and candlesticks, and all I could find was the 2 I purchased, and I already had 3. So candles add up. These were $20 and $15, I believe. So just imagine. But I still ended up getting the look that I wanted. So I'm going to go ahead and finish doing this, and then I'll come back and tweak a few things off camera, and we'll reveal the final look. All right, so here is the finished look. So I just want to briefly tell y'all, I get a lot of questions about my paint color. The paint color in the dining room is warm stone. It's the same color I used in my guest bedroom. Warm stone in the eggshell finish by Sherwin-Williams. The paint color on that accent wall is called Urbane Bronze in the satin finish by Sherwin-Williams. And the main living area paint color is called Universal Khaki by Sherwin-Williams. It's either in the eggshell or satin finish. I prefer to use eggshell. I like the look of flat paint or matte paint, but durability and lasting, I will always go with eggshell or higher. Right, everyone, this is the final look of the living room for fall. I hope I was able to give you some ideas and motivation for decorating your home for fall. Even if you don't decorate for fall, I hope I gave you some decor ideas as well as some motivation. So please enjoy the rest of the video. I do have some still shots as well as a nighttime view. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day. All right, everyone, we are coming to the end of this video. Thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you have not already subscribed and you like these types of videos, please hit that subscribe button. Turn your notification on so you'll be notified when I post videos. And if you really like this video, feel free to share it with a friend or even on your social media channels that you have. So look me up on Instagram. I'm on Facebook as well. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day.